Hey everyone, welcome to another Waifu Wednesday. This time around we have a pink goddess beauty box. I think this cropped up when the sort of summer 2020 bikini card phase of Chinese bootleg cards cropped up. A lot of these sort of pink teal boxes of this shape cropped up. I grabbed as many as I could. I think there's one I'm missing that is actually out of print now. So apologies for that. Not sure. I don't think I've opened up a Goddess Beauty box before, but this is the MYTX GS002. Was there an S001 that I forgot that I opened or that I didn't pick up? I don't know. So it is a mystery that we will solve together. As per usual, got these on AliExpress. That's usually the cheapest way you can get these. I think I've seen these on eBay and even maybe Amazon, and they're like double, triple the price, but it does take about a month. Sometimes I've gotten some in 2 weeks. So there's a store I found that is actually pretty reliable. So let's dive right into these. There's probably 20 packs in here, which seems about normal, and the packs seem pretty thin. All right, so let's dive right into pack number 1. Let's see here. Does it have any other, as usual, like I said before on some of these, they don't have distribution, rarities. The SCP cards I do have rarities and the number of them, so that's helpful. I wish these had that. But then I'd find out that there's probably 10 rarities. Not sure what's going on here. Interesting, but it feels very thin, like there's 2 or 3 cards in here, which is unfortunate if true. Oh, it looks a little bit more than that. Yep, these are basically quote-unquote knockoff girl party cards, looks like. So here we go. Yep, this is kind of what I thought they were, which is perfectly fine. These are basically, I think, sort of knockoff girls party. It's got the symbol, but not exactly the same. It says girls party, but I don't think it has the logo of the company. I'd have to look. So it's so funny when other companies knock off other, what amounts to knockoff cards. Quality's not bad. Always appreciate the foil. The art's pretty good, obviously. So I'm not going to complain too much about that. I'll do my best to try to get the character name in here, but there's nothing on the backside. I think Girls Party does have information on the other side, though. So far, I didn't get a super rare card. Usually you get at least, you get your standard SSR and then you get one UR or something. Not bad. 4 cards per pack. 5? That's not too bad. We'll see if these have the foil stamping we've come to appreciate. I think even Goddess Stories got into this Sailor Mercury card is just crazy. Illustrious. And a Rem or Ray. Is this Rem? Yep. These patterns in the background are weird. It's a nice one at least. And pack 3. Trying to chew through my backlog of waifu card boxes so that I can have videos through the end of 2022 for you all. There's definitely a never-ending supply of these. Choco Fox. And then we got some dupes of these two. Yeah, so far I've opened 3 and I haven't gotten a rare card. That's a little concerning. All right, pack 4. Whoa, I spoke too soon. I got a UTR card. So that's cool. Unfortunately, there's no stamping. So is this a Naruto character? It's got the Naruto headband. That's cool. I got, you know, I like the speckle. I really wish, I'm used to foil outlines on stuff. So maybe that's a telltale that these are copies of official cards, if you will. I don't think these are probably in the $20 price range, so not too bad, honestly. There's another Rem. The always popular, or is Ram the pink or the blue-haired girl? Huh. Sometimes these names are wrong. I think I've had. Thanks folks who comment on these videos and help identify these. It's always appreciated. So keep it up. All right, pack 5. So at least we got a super rare card in that one. Keep the train going. Speaking of which, whoa. Whoa, 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 whoa. What is going on here? Is it like a relic card? What is this? Do you see this? This is like an ultra thick card. And it is Haruna Sakura. Is this, who's this? The art's really cool. It's like 3D rendered almost, looks like. Okay, all right. So this is a KSR card. Oh man, I love the speckle. Very subtle. The thick cardstock is very interesting. Okay, all right. Goddess Beauty box, you got me intrigued for sure. I'm not really sure why it's so thick. Usually when there's thick cards like this in like American boxes, you get like a relic, like a piece of clothing or something. So, wow, okay. I like that. All right, pack 6. Back to regular cards, which is fine, and more illustrious. Some dupes here. Yep. Then we got a new one. Oh, that's a dupe too. More illustrious. Starts and ends with illustrious. All right, pack lucky number 7. Let's get another weird wood card. It's kind of, I don't think it's made out of wood, but it sort of looks like it. I think it's just a bunch of cards taped together, glued together. All right, moving on. Neptunia. Always appreciate when I know characters myself. And then we got some, that's a dupe. This is a new one, I think. Maybe. Another Rem. I think Ram is the pink-haired girl. All right, pack 8. It's a good one. Dupe of that. I think, is that a dupe? I recognize the soda can. That was nice. What is this? Tiamat? I want to say you can still get the pink box. There's one that's like silvery that I didn't buy in time. Pack 9. Yeah, the quality isn't too bad. The pattern is nice. It's kind of like a textured pattern. The holographic foil is nice. The art's pretty good. So, not too shabby actually. That was a dupe. And this is a cool one. Violet Evergarden. I like that art style. All right, pack 10. Pretty sure, I swear I've gotten this. Was this Bomber Girl? Yeah, this art looks familiar. Especially the weird pupils. And a dupe of these. And that, and that. So, yeah, halfway through, we're starting to get way more dupes. Hey folks, cutting in here because I goofed and I forgot to hit record on the second half of this box. I already sleeved everything, so I filmed like 7 boxes that day, and this was like one of the first ones, so it's really strange that I spaced like that. So I'm just gonna go through the sleeved cards real quick. Thankfully, I recorded getting this card, but I did get another. Maybe that was part of that video, but I got a UTR card, which I think I complained about getting only 1 extra rare card and the rest were just SSRs. And I think I'm actually missing 1 SSR. So I didn't even get a whole set of SSR cards. So I do kind of like this box, but I'm not so sold on it because of the sort of abusive distribution. So we'll just go through these real quick. The card art's really good, as usual. I really liked this one, I remember. Sorry if I repeat myself, but I figure I might as well show you the cards I got. I did get a ton of dupes. Is that the One Piece character? Again, like I said, if I repeat myself, I apologize. I did really like this character. I like the rendering style. Very similar to the special other card I got. These are actually really cool. All right, moving right along. I'll try to get their names in here. I know it's kind of hard to see because of the sleeve and because of the shininess. So yeah, I apologize that I messed up here, but hey, at least you can see the cards I got, and you don't get to see all the dumb dupes. So there is actually a Teal box of this that I opened up that I'll put the link below. So this is like the knockoff Girl Party, because I'm pretty sure it's a different brand. And these don't have the same sort of quality that those do. Those have a lot more. I really like that one. Those have a lot, and that one's cool too. They had a lot more cool rare cards that had the foil stamping that we all love. So yeah, hopefully your summer went well. We're already heading into fall with October. I think that's when I'll be posting these. So hopefully it's not too cold where you guys are at. So yeah, that's the, hopefully that shows what cards I missed. And yeah, please let me know which one of these was your favorite. Definitely really like this card. Even the UTR card's really cool. They're actually not too bad of a set. So yeah, let me know what you think. Please comment, like, subscribe. Catch me every Wednesday with my Waifu Wednesday cards. I'll try to be posting new series as winter approaches. And yeah, I'll see you on the next one. Thanks, everybody. Bye.